Today we're going to install a new passenger tail light on this 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. Alright, here's our replacement tail light. There are the broken ones. Let's go ahead and connect this pigtail right into there. Alright, just like so, and make sure you put down the little lock to secure it into place. I'm going to go ahead and use both hands to do this real quick. Alright, and there it is, nice and secured. Now let's go ahead and put the tail light back into place. This little pin is going to go right into that little slot. That will secure it into place. It's just like that. Just line it up and push it into place just like so. We're going to go ahead and grab the two screws or bolts that were originally there when we took it off, and we're going to go ahead and put it in there. We're going to use a size 7mm socket. There it is, to get those in. So let's go ahead and drive each one in. Alright, once you have those bolts nice and secure, let's go ahead and put the covers back on. Just like so. And they just go sideways. There's little indents here and there, but they slide into place. Just like so. Perfect. And that it is. And that is how you install a passenger tail light on this 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.